Hey guys, so today I have here my Frigidaire Dehumidifier which stopped working and it's showing me here this error code F0, and today I want to show you how I am fixing this in less than 10 minutes. And the only tools that we are going to use here is actually a screwdriver and an old sponge. But please note that this fix does not work for everybody. The humidifier's compressor still has to be functional, and it has also still be full with the refrigerant. So you see here none of the buttons on the top panel work. And so the first thing that I'm going to do to repair this device here is I'm going to unplug it from the outlet. And then I'm using here my Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws from the back side. So in this case here, this device has a total of 5 Phillips screws, so I'm going to remove all of those. Okay, so the next part is to remove the back cover, and this is actually quite painful. So because it's really stuck really well on the device itself, so you will have to first pull it off on the bottom, and then towards the upper part, that's where it's really tight. So it almost feels like you're almost going to rip the backside apart, and the plastic will burst, but eventually it will pop off, just like you see here. Okay, so now that we have access to the insides of the dehumidifier, we see here on the right side these copper tubes. And if you take a close look, there's like a small cable going to one of those tubes, and you see here there's this metal clip. You see here the wire coming down, and then there is a sensor inside of one of those copper tubes, and this sensor you can easily pull out, and also there's this metal clip that holds this in place. And this sensor is the one that you want to clean. So I was using my Scotch pad here, the abrasive side, and I was just scraping this a little bit, just cleaning it off a little bit. And then I also cleaned the inside of that copper tube as well, because that was also really dirty. And I'm just going to put it right back in. I also don't forget to put this metal clip into it as well, just like you see me doing this here. And this is already it. So this is the entire fix. So now I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm going to plug it into an outlet, and we see immediately when we push the power button, now it works again. Okay, so yeah, this is the fix of this F0 error code, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.